Just gotta do these by hand. Okay, on the brake pedal, there's this little piece right here. And all you have to do with that is stick a flathead screwdriver in here and pop it off. And then from there, just pop out this piece, which is in like this. And then this piece will be free to remove from there. Okay, you need a 13mm wrench, and there's 4 nuts that you have to remove. And this is 13mm. So there's those 2, and then those 2 on the side. The top 2 are kind of hard to get. You just have to get it started, and then you can just do it by hand. Yeah, after you get all those pieces off, let's just grab it and pull it up. And after you pull it out, it'll be good to go.